So we all know that presently we are studying the mole concept. So what is the two formulas we have for mole concept? When mass is given, so we all know that the number of moles is equal. So what is the formula, everybody? Given mass divided by molar mass. If given number of particles is given, is there anybody in meeting? What is the formula? Particles is given. Given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. So what is Avogadro number? Anybody? What is the value of Avogadro number? Fastly.
6.02 to 10 to the power 23.
22 into 10 power 23 is the Avogadro number. So next, remember. So now I have third formula. Note it, everybody, third formula. Already you know, but I am saying you. If mass is given and asking number of particles to calculate. So this is what is our work. So I told you, whenever mass is given, immediately you need to calculate what is our primary duty. If you see a mass question in the class, mass word in the question, immediately you have to calculate what, everybody? You have to calculate the, please respond. Immediately you need to calculate what? Molar mass. Or we will say gram molecular mass. So you have to calculate it. So after that only you have to proceed further. If mass is given and asking the number of particles, then the formula is given mass divided by molar mass is equals to number of particles divided by Avogadro number. So that as we need number of particles, the formula will turn into m divided by m, that is what, given mass divided by molar mass into Avogadro number, which will give you the number of particles. So this is the third formula. Next, fourth formula. If number of particles is given, I have sent you the book in the group. Have you seen, everybody? Given and asking us to calculate mass. Asking us to calculate what, everybody? Calculate given mass. So then the formula is again same. So m divided by capital M, given mass divided by molar mass is equals to given number of particles divided by Avogadro number. So now we need actually given mass. So molar mass will come this side. So given mass is equals to given particles divided by Avogadro number into molar mass. So this is the fourth formula. So these are the only four ways where they will ask the questions. So you have to be ready for anything, like based upon the question, you should decide which formula you have to use it. Understand, Prudvi? Clear, Sanjay?
Yes.
So the most important numericals, remember 11th class and all, if you goes, the concept of mole and stoichiometries is the one of the toughest concepts, basically, where we'll face difficulties. So that's what I'm saying you. Chemistry completely turn up into numericals at a certain level. So that's why you need to be like adapt that level of solving the numericals so that it is very easy. So I hope yesterday everybody solved the examples. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. Are you clear? Mari, Kishore, Lingesh, everybody? So now let us see that exercise questions, what is there, and we'll finish it, everything. So any doubt, you can ask me. So now till here, molecular mass, I think everybody has done. Question number 6, molecular mass only. Have you all done? I'm asking you people, you have to involve in the class. So molecular mass calculating, you have to do it. Offline class also, I have told you to do it. I think you have been done already. If you have not done, you have to do it. Next one. So what is the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atoms, they are asking. So nitrogen atoms means N2A, anybody? Nitrogen atom, N2A, everybody, make it quick. N. Nitrogen atoms means N is that. So what is the atomic mass of N, everybody? atomic mass of N, AMU of N, 1 into 14, which is equals to 14U. Now we need what? They are asking what actually? What is the mass they are asking? So if the mass is given immediately, I told you what you have to calculate, everybody. If mass is given immediately, what you have to calculate, guys? Molar mass. So what is molar mass? Writing a AMU into gram per mole. That is only call it as a molar mass. Now atomic mass is 14U. Means what is the molar mass? Everybody. 14 gram per mole. Am I right? Yes or no, guys? Just in place of U, you are writing gram per mole. That is only call it as a molar mass. Yes or no? Everyone, please respond.
Yes, sir.
That is one. Now, you can write it. They are asking, they have given the moles and they are asking the mass. So over, what is that, everybody? So given mass, sorry, molar mass, moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. We want given mass. So given mass is equals to number of moles into molar mass. And we all know or not? Everybody. Formula, Terima, all of you.
Yes, sir.
Given moles is 1 mole and given molar mass is 14 gram per mole. So what is there? Mole will get cancelled. What is the given mass? Anybody? 14 grams. Over. That's all answer. Clear? Kavya? Shivani?
Yes,
understand? Yeah, do it.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That is what you have to remember. Agalya, anything doubt, Agalya? Do it. Who is this Redmi 9A? Modify your name, please. Alfin, are you able to solve or not? I want response.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good. Do it. Next. Aluminium atom. See that aluminium atom they are asking. What is the symbol of aluminium? Everybody? Al. Am I right or wrong? And even they have given atomic mass also already. 27. So, and what is the given moles? Everybody check it. How many moles of aluminium atoms? All of you make it quick. N is equals to how many moles given? All of you. 4 moles. 4 moles is given. And N is equals to 4 moles. And what is the atomic mass of? They are asking mass. So mass means immediately how to calculate what? Everybody. Immediately how to calculate
Molar mass.
Molar mass. So molar mass of aluminium. What is the molar mass of aluminium? Everybody. 27 gram per mole. Do you all understanding? Because atomic mass is 27 U. So molar mass is 27 gram per mole. Just we are converting U to 20 gram per mole. Is it okay? Everybody clear? Understanding? So what is the given mass? Given mass is equals to moles into molar mass over 4 moles into molar mass is 27 gram per mole. So mole will get cancelled. 27 fours are how much? 7 fours are 28. 1 will come here. So 278 plus 9. How much is answer? 90? Yes, please. 108. So 108 grams. That is the given mass. So if I give 108 grams of aluminium, then I will get it 4 moles actually. So that is what you have to remember. Any doubt anybody can ask me or else write. Do it fast, everybody. Clear? All of you? Abhirami, are you doing? Do it quick. Are you understood? Google? Niroshi solved?
yes, sir.
Solving, sir.
Do it. Completed. Next question. Next question, see guys. 10 moles of sodium sulfate. Even don't see that formula also, you don't know. You just imagine. Because they are giving formula here, you can do it. But exam, they won't give the formula. Sodium, you know, and sulfate, you know. Sulfite. So go to the tabular column. You all having a book, correct? Sodium sulfate. That's why I said, learn the tabular column. Otherwise, it is impossible to make it. So sodium. Where is the sodium? Pakaranga. Everybody, where is the sodium? Here. What is the symbol of sodium? Valency. Na is the symbol. Sulfite, sulfate, Mari. Sodium,
Sulfite.
sulfite. Sulfite, you can see. What is the symbol? SO3. Understanding? So what is the valencies? Agalya, sodium valency. 1. Sulfite valency 2. So if you do the crisscross, what will you get? Na2SO3 whole bracket 1. You can write it as a Na2SO3. Sodium sulfite. Write it. Clear, everybody? If it is, see that, Mari, if it is sulfate, what will come? Sulfate, SO4 will come. Sulfite, SO3 will come. So, be very specified what you are learning. Sodium sulfite, sodium Na2SO3, sodium sulfate, Na2SO4, SO4. So, be very careful. Na2SO4, sodium sulfate, PHATE, sulfate, sulfite, Na2SO3. So see that one ITE, ATE, entire formula will change. So you have to be very, very careful regarding the formulas. That's why I say, without that tabular column, you are not supposed to proceed further anything in the chemistry. This is my sincere request. Class 10th also, the tabular column is the most important tabular column. Expecting everybody will learn the tabular column without any error. Okay, whomever it is, all should learn. So sodium sulfite it is. So we all know the formula or not? We don't bother about it. So first, they are asking mass. Mass means immediately what you have to calculate. Molar mass, molar mass. Yes or no? Please respond. So what is the molar mass of sodium sulfate? Respond everybody. Tell me. Number of atoms of sodium. First element. How many guys? Number of atoms of first element. How many? 2. What is the sodium atomic mass?
14, sir.
14. Wow, super. 23. 14 for nitrogen, Tambi. Yarade. Next, second, sulfur. Number of atoms of sulfur, 1. What is the atomic mass of sulfur? Check your book and tell me. You're having a hard copy is also correct. Sulfur atomic mass. Sulfur atomic mass. Very, very bad. Book, what, right? No interest means don't join, I'm saying you again. What is the sulfur atomic mass? That's what I'm saying you correct. You can check it. What is the sulfur atomic mass? Everybody. 32. Learn it. Learn the tabular column. Sodium also you can see that. What is the sodium atomic mass? All of you. Sodium atomic mass how much? 23. Nitrogen is 14. Somebody said 14. Please rectify. Without knowing this.
Nitrogen's atomic mass is 14, sir.
Yes, nitrogen atomic mass. But here sodium, correct, Mari?
Yes, sir.
So sulfur how much? 30.
32.
32.
Yes, sir. Sulfur 32, sir.
32 plus third element. How many third elements are there? How many? Oxygen. How many are there? 3. And what is the atomic mass of oxygen? 16. So do it fast, everybody. 23. 23 twos are how much? 23 twos are how much? 46 plus 32 plus 16 threes are 16 threes are 48. So add it, make it quick, everybody. 48 plus 32, 48 plus 10 plus 46, 32 plus 40, 126. Yeah, 126 U. But this is atomic mass. But what is molar mass? You must write the atomic mass in what? Atomic mass in what? Grams per mole. That is what is called it as a molar mass. over. Then how many moles is given? 10 moles is given. Or you can write it. So given mass is equals to, what is the formula? Number of moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. And given mass is equals to number of moles into molar mass. Number of moles is 10 moles. And what is the molar mass? Molar mass. Everybody. 126. So 126 into 10, 1260 grams. That is what is given mass. Solve it. Any doubt, anybody? You can ask me. We'll proceed further. Clear? All of you? See, solving numericals is not that much easy. Have patience and have interest first. If you like to solve the numericals, I'm saying you are the one who is going to rock. It is not at all a thing. Just you have to like to solve the numericals. That's what is expecting. Nothing else. Okay. Solve it. Kavya, modify your name. Do it, everybody. This question understand? Arasini, are you able to understand? Today only you are joining. I don't know how much you are understanding. So, but you have to try. Mole concept we are studying. I have sent the PDF also in the book. So I will upload the videos whenever time permits. You complete it and you learn it. Okay. Next. Completed. So we'll go to the next question, everybody. All of you. Yes. So let us go with I'll take it to the PDF and we'll see that. What, Laksha? I'm not getting your point. You ask me correctly. So, right, next question, everybody. So, what is the question you can see? A part, B part, and C part. One by one you can solve. So, convert it into moles. They are giving mass. So, it's very simple. Where I have written? I don't know what they are speaking also. Ma, I have written 4 ma. The U ma, atomic mass unit. Abhirami, you are that much. I am really very, very angry on you. You don't know the basic things you're forgetting. That's why no mind concentration at all. Hey, is it 1264 or 126 U?
126 U.
U it is, atomic mass unit. How careless you are, you see that. This is very, very, it is not at all good at all. I'm saying. After solving everything, you come to the basics again. You forgot it, everything. So convert into moles now. Again, they are asking. Start working now, everybody. So convert into moles and they are giving mass. Immediately you see, whenever given mass, what is our primary duty? All of you. Whenever mass is given, what is the primary duty?
To find molar mass.
Molar mass. That's all. Solve it. So here you see oxygen gas they are saying. So oxygen gas means OA, O2A. What is your opinion? That is what is my question. O2. Please remember. Because it is a diatomic molecule or monoatomic molecule? Diatomic. That's all. So molar mass. Tell me, everybody. Girls tell me. Girls versus boys will put. One question girls, one question boys tell me. What is the molar mass of oxygen? Make it quick. Number of oxygen molecules 2 into molar mass of what is the oxygen atomic mass? 16, which is equals to 32U. So 32U means how much you can write?
32 gram per mole.
32 gram per mole. Now they are asking into moles. So given mass is equal, given moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass over. Given mass is how much? Pakranga. What is the given mass? 12 grams. Molar mass is how much? 32 gram per mole. So gram will get cancelled. 12 table. Where it will comes? Anybody? Yes, please.
0.7.
Okay, wait. 12 6 are, sorry, 2 6 are, 2 1s are, 2 6 are. Next, 2 3s are, 2 8s are. So 8 by 3, 3 by 8. Am I right? 3 by 8 moles. Is it right or wrong? Yes.
Sir.
Yeah, please do it. So 3 by 8 moles means how much answer? Solve the division and tell me. Everybody has to do. Mr. Silesh, you are also not doing, you can not required to attend. Anybody. So what is the answer? 0 point? 0 point.
0.375.
That's all. Solve it. Everybody solve. Okay, let's solving. Alfin, you also. Do it. Laksha, for you, naming order I have given you, but you are taking according to your name. You cannot take like that. You join only the format what I have given.
Okay, sir.
We'll start next. Everybody ready? Prithvi completed. Next question, boys. Water formula. What is the water formula? All of you. H2O, right? So what is the molar mass? Tell me, boys, fastly. Molar mass. Sam, Gokul will speak. Tell me, Gokul, what is the molar mass of water? Tell me how many atoms are there first? Hydrogen 2 and oxygen 1. Number of hydrogen atoms 2. What is the atomic mass of hydrogen? Gokul. You say otherwise you leave, not required. Silently want to be means not required for me. Jay Krishna, what is the atomic mass of hydrogen?
1, sir.
Ah,
Sir. 1.
number of oxygen atom, how many? 1.
16.
What is the atomic mass of oxygen? 16.
16, sir.
Which is
16.
2 into 1, 2 plus 16, which is equals to how many? 18.
18.
So 18 U means how I can write Gokul? 18 gram per mole. That is the molar mass. Purima Gokul, I'm calling you only. So that is what. So now you can write 20 grams they have given. So what is the number of moles? N is equals to given mass divided by molar mass, which is equals to given mass is 20 grams, molar mass is 18 gram per mole. Mr. Gokul, if you are not doing, you can leave from the meeting. I am not happy at all. So gram, now you can cancel it and you can write it. Which table? 2 tens are, 2 nines are. So 10 by 9. What is the answer? Everybody. 10 by 9. Mari, not all doing. So 1.1 mole. 1.1 moles. That's all. Solve it. 0.9. Abhrami. 10 by 9, Abhrami. Not 9 by 10. Okay, va? Ada hurry burry venda. Solve with a carefulness. There is no efficiency, no use of studying chemistry at all. I'm saying. Do it. Don't make mistakes in basic divisions and basic multiple mathematic operations. You are not supposed to commit mistake. Again, I'm warning you, everybody. Have some presence of mind. Once or twice you make error, okay. Every time, what is this? Do it fast. Next. Next one, 22 grams of carbon dioxide. Girls will say, what is the molar mass of carbon dioxide? Alfin will say. Alfin only say, other girls will listen. Alfin will speak. Carbon dioxide molar mass. First tell me, what is the formula of carbon dioxide, Alfin?
CO2.
CO2. Yes, tell me molar mass. Number of how many different elements are there here, carbon dioxide?
1 into 12 plus
Very
2
good.
into 16.
So I am asking question what, Alfin? That alone tell me. How many elements are you seeing here? Different elements.
2.
2. Very good. So first, number of first elements. How many?
1.
1. What is the atomic mass of carbon? 12. Very good. What is the number of second elements?
2.
2. Very good. What is the atomic mass of oxygen?
16.
Very good. So 12 into 1, 12 plus 16 into 2, how much?
32.
32, which is equals to total
44 U.
44 U. But we need it U or molar mass.
Molar mass.
Molar mass. So molar
44
mass means what?
gram per mole.
44 gram per mole. Very good, Alfred. Really nice. Okay, so that's what it's very simple, nothing is there. So now you tell me how many moles? Agalya, tell me how many moles you got the answer. Make it quick. Agalya, I'm asking you this much time you are taking. Mr. Pranav, class is by 6 o'clock, not by 6:40. Do you understand, Mr. Pranav? No interest means don't join. I already told you yesterday itself. I'm very, very serious. Hasini Sudhakar, you are also be in time. One day late means I is not accepted. What is the answer? Agalya, I'm asking you. Shivani, tell me, what is your answer? Number of moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. Boys, tell me, what is the answer? Text fastly or speak loudly. Given mass is how much? 22 grams. Molar mass is how much? 44 gram per mole. So gram will get cancelled. 22 ones are 22 twos are. So 1/2 means how much? Everybody?
0.5.
0.5 moles. Over. Solve it fast. Everybody.
0.2.
Yes. Do it quickly. What happened, Agalya? Not solving now. Make it fast. Any doubt anybody can ask me. Just do the numericals. You have to be familiar in the numericals. That's what I'm saying you. Then only you can compete all the exams, whatever you are trying for it in future. Do it. Next question Mukesh will say. Mukesh completed these 3 questions. I'm asking you. Excuse kadayadra. I'm very, very serious. Because batch to batch, I need progress. Not that coming down every time. I'm not ready to do that. Okay. So whatever you decide, if you are not ready to do it, you can leave it. No problem. Make it quick, Amma. Completed. Next question. Mr. Mukesh and Gokul only will speak. Others don't speak. Others you solve. I will solve and you verify your answer is right or wrong. Mr. Gokul, tell me what they have given. Again, they're asking what is the mass of they're asking. Oxygen atom, Gokul. So oxygen atom means OA, O2A. Adi mattada sollunga, Gokul. Oxygen atom.
Sir.
Oh, very good. So what is the molar mass? They're asking mass. Mass means immediately how to calculate what? Molar mass. Am I right?
Molar
So
mass.
molar mass of oxygen, atom. How many atoms are there? 1. 1 into what is the
1.
atomic mass of oxygen, Gokul?
15.
16, which is equals to 16U. So 16U means what? 16 gram per mole. Remaining all you solve. Mari, you all proceed. No need to wait for me. So now they are asking mass. So mass means what is the answer will come. We all knows that number of moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass. So we want mass. So mass is equals to number of moles into. So how many moles they have given? 0.2 moles. Check it everybody. Into molar mass 16 gram per mole. So mole will get cancelled. How many answer? 3.2 grams. Am I right? Verify it. 3.2 grams. Abhirami, you are saying 1 into 16. Yeah, very good. Do it. Try it fast, everybody. 3.2 grams. Have you got the answer? Mr. Lingesh, are you there? Kishore. Next question, Kishore will speak. Mukesh, you can leave from the meeting. It's not required for you. Your presence is also not required. You are not at all answering anything. Make it quick. Next question. Niroshi, tell me. What is the water molecule they are saying? So water molecule, what is the formula of water molecule? H2O. Okay. So number of hydrogen atoms, 2. Atomic mass of hydrogen, 1 plus number of oxygen atom, 1. Atomic mass of oxygen, 16, which is equals to 2 plus 16, which is equals to how much, Ra? 18 gram per mole. That is the molar mass. Molar mass is equals to 18 gram per mole. Now, if you have been done, number of moles is equals to given mass divided by molar mass, which is equals to given mass is equals to number of moles into molar mass over number of moles is 0.5 moles into molar mass is 18 gram per mole. So mole will get cancelled, which is equals to 0.5 into 18, which is equals to 9 grams over. Anyone having any doubt, please ask me. 9 grams is the answer. Abhirami, you got 36 grams. See that your calculations, where you are going also, I don't know.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, Mari.
Sir, we have followed in the fourth set you have said no, sir.
Ah.
M is equal to N by NO into
Adi
M.
particles, Mari. Here they are asking only mass. They are giving moles and they are asking mass. Why are you going with the fourth formula? Do you understand what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Don't make the things complicated, Mari. See in a very simplified manner. That is a major problem for you. You are always thinking, even small things you will think too big. That's why sometimes you will commit mistake. What I said, listen. Mass is given, moles is given. Only talk about the first formula. Don't speak about second, third, fourth and all. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Only note it. Have a clarity in mind. Doubt means ask me. Third formula. First formula only between what? Mass and moles. Note it. This is the formula between mass and moles. Mass is given and moles is given. Second formula, particles and moles. Number of particles. That is what? N and N, small n. Particles and number of moles. Third one is for mass and particles. Do you understand what I am saying? Are you clear? But
Yes,
basically, sorry, you make it reverse. Calculating number of particles. So number of particles and mass. This is the formula. Last one is mass and number of particles. Clear what I'm saying?
yes, sir.
Understand? So that is what. So particles is given, asking us to calculate mass. Use this formula. Mass is given, asking us to calculate the particles. This is you have to do it. But wherever you heard a word mass, immediately your mind should say you have to calculate what? Molar mass. Do you understand? Clear what I'm saying? Yes, that is what. Okay, next. Let us solve one more question now. So that is, and one more most important question is there, question number 11. That I will teach you in the tomorrow's class. But if I teach you now also, you'll get confused. So let us solve this question. So everybody, do it. Next question, all of you. Is this all the questions completed, everybody? I'm asking you people. Over these two questions. Next question you write. This question you solve. Calculate the number of sulfur. Sulfur is a what actually? S8, polyatomic molecule. Am I right or wrong? Yes or no? Present in 16 grams of solid sulfur. That's the question. So let me see who will solve first. So I'm giving 2 minutes time. Then only I'll teach you. Let me see who will do it. Do it. S8 they are giving. Note it and do it. So you all people knows also. Make it quick. I want the answer. Shall we start? Everybody? So it's very simple. So S8 is there. So first, what they're asking, calculating the number of molecules they're asking. Number of molecules. But what is given? Pakranga, what is given everyone? Mass is given. Write the given data. Given mass is 16 grams and they're asking number of particles over. So what is the formula we have to use it? Third formula, fourth formula. Everybody. Third formula, fourth formula. Fourth formula. Number of particles is equals to, what is that? Given mass divided by molar mass into Avogadro number. Remember da? Understand da? Sanjay, Lingesh, that's all it is. So you know mass means immediately you have to calculate molar mass. So what is the molar mass of S8? Everybody. Very simple. 8 particles, number of atom. What is the sulfur atomic mass? Sulfur atomic mass, 32. So 8 into 32, 8 to the 16, 8 3 is a 24 plus 1, 25. Am I right, everybody? So 256 gram per mole. Yarik doubt irka, you can ask me, I will explain. This is what? 256 gram per mole. I hope you all understand. Hasini, Sudhaka, Princey, solving. So over. Avogadro number. What is Avogadro number? Speak loudly, everybody. 6.022 into 10 power 23 over. So S molecule, sulfur molecules is equals to given mass is 16, molar mass is 256 into Avogadro number, that is what, 6.022 into 10 power 23. So try to solve. Anybody having any doubt, you can ask me. I will explain it. Now, sir, multiplication and division. How, sir, it is? Very, very tough, correct, sir. Very simple, I can solve. All of you observe very carefully. 256 is a square of something. Can you tell me what is that? 256 is a square of. If you know squares, you can solve very easily. Yes? All of you?
16.
That's all. Understanding? 16 square is a 256 over 16 ones are 16 16s are. Clear? So 1 by 16 into 6.022 into 10 power 23. Clear, everybody? So finish the answer. You will get the answer. So what is the answer will come? You can see 6.022 divided by 16. Don't disturb the power. Power, you write it as usual. 23 molecules. Molecules of what? S8. Okay. So do this division, everybody. What will happen? You can do it, all of you. You will get in decimal, sir. So 6.022 divided by 16. You will get the answer 0.376375. If you want it, you can write it, or else 2 decimals is enough. So 23 molecules of S8. Molecules of S8. So this I will write it as a, you can see 0.37, enough. 23. So 0.37, this powers, can you tell me? Physics and all we have been written. Very good, Lingesh. Lingesh, that is what I like it. As I said, you final answer, you cannot leave the decimal. Decimal at the 0. You have to take all this decimal what? 1 digit after. So now you tell me, if this decimal will move to here, then here power will increase or decrease? Girls, I will write 3.7. Then power will increase or decrease? Decrease. So 3.7 into 10 power 22 molecules. Molecules of S8. That's all, guys. So very, very important question. Very, very interesting question also. I hope you all understand, and you must need to solve without fail. Everybody need to solve. Any doubt you can ask me, all of you. The next 11th question is there. That question alone I will teach you tomorrow, and then we'll practice extra questions. Okay. Do it, everybody. Okay. All of you clear? Understood, Amma? Yes, please respond.
Sir.
Now, one question I am giving you.